It's a long time me make some of this. I telling y'all when it's been so long. So now that I make this dish here today, this transporting me right back into Guyana. Today I'm bringing to you guys some fried fish and of course the one and only shine rice. So let me go ahead and jump in to today's recipe and get to cooking this quick, simple and easy dish. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. But let's go ahead and hop right into today's video. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into today's recipe. So we're going to be making shine rice. My way over here, we have some seasonings. So we have some chicken bouillon, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, and a little bit of dry basil. Oh, like I can't talk. I have some garlic, carrots, onion, scotch bonnet, and green onions. And I have some thyme somewhere around here. So let's go ahead and cut it up. Let's go ahead and cut up our ingredients. Now tell me what you guys normally put in your shine rice. Growing up in Guyana, shine rice was one of them go-to quick and easy thing where your mother would just, whip up a quick thing, serve with some fried fish, and that was that. And trust and believe, it's just like what I said, like the easy things are the ones that you value the most. Like, love me some shine rice. So we're gonna go ahead and cut up the onions, garlic, and everything into small little dice pieces. Some people like theirs with, a whole heap of other seasonings. If that's how you like it, or you like add extra things to it. Sometimes my mother used to add like edo, carrots, whatever she have, she would throw it in the shine rice. So whatever you want, this is kind of like a one pot dish. You make it your own, so whatever you want, you put it in it. Okay, so we finished cutting up our seasoning. So we're gonna go ahead in my pot. You're gonna heat up some oil, and then we're gonna go ahead and fry up our seasoning. Just go ahead and add them all to the pan, everybody in the pot, and we're gonna fry this down and make it a little bit translucent. So we're gonna cook this down on a medium heat until it becomes very fragrant before we add the rice. And I forgot to tell you guys, there's also going to be adding coconut milk into this. I don't think I showed you in the ingredients, but we're also going to add coconut milk. So just let this go ahead and fry up. Started to get nice and caramelized, so at this point you want to go ahead and add your rice in. And you want to go ahead and, at least for me, I let my rice fry up a little bit with all the seasonings before I add anything else. So I like to just give it a little while to fry with everybody else. So you're going to let this happen before you add anything else. Just make sure it's well mixed in and you can see all the deliciousness through the rice, because you don't want one part of the rice to get seasonings and then another part not to get any. So you just let this go and fry for a little bit, and then we'll add our seasonings and everything else. And that's pretty much about it when it comes to this. Alright guys, so it's been frying up for a few minutes, so it's been good right now. So to this part here, I'm going to go ahead and add my thyme to it. I'm also going to go ahead and add the seasonings that you guys see me show you earlier. And then we're going to mix that in. Incorporate that. And then we're going to go ahead and add our coconut milk and some warm water. Never add cold water to your pot, because it's going to just, it's going to slow down your cooking process. So go ahead and add warm water. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and add a tin of coconut milk to this, and put the warm water right in the tin and wash it back out. And then you're just going to go ahead and add some water. Now when you're adding water to this here, you don't want to add so much water to your rice swimming. You just want enough, and that's going to give you the perfect cooked rice every time. You just want to have enough water to cover the rice itself. Don't put too much where they're swimming and it's like you get ploppy rice. Nobody like that. Alright, so I went ahead and added my warm water, and as you can see guys, I just put enough water to cover the rice, literally about 1 inch or 2 above the rice. And now you're going to set your fire on medium, and you're going to cover this and let this cook. And that is all she wrote. I serving this up with some fried fish, that's already been seasoning since last night. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. My rice is going, guys. Here's my fish. I'm using soy, and this has been marinating overnight. So I went ahead and took it out of the fridge so it can come up to room temp so that I can fry it. But you can use pretty much whatever fish that you have or you want to have. Let me know if anybody lives in Florida. If you guys can tell me where I can find like bangameri or what is the other name, because I realize a lot of the names that we have in Guyana for pretty much fish and all kind of thing is not the name we actually call. So let me know in the comments below where I can find bango or the fish we're used to in Guyana if you are in Florida. Okay, so let me go ahead and check upon we shine rice. It's almost done if it's not done. So as you can see, the time come all the way to the top, so I can just go ahead and fish out the stems them. And at this point, I don't ever stir my rice when I get to this point. I just fluff it with a fork and it's done. So let me fry up with fish and then we're gonna plate up. Let me just fluff this up, take it off the heat, and then we're gonna plate up with food. Alright guys, so we've come to the end of another great video. Here is what we're looking like right now. This is we shine rice and we fry fish. Of course, we got to top it off with a little pepper sauce. Come, let me go lash. I hope you guys like today's recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, guys. I appreciate you staying with me for this long and rocking it out with me. And I hope you guys continue to show some love. Enjoy the videos. Allow me to hit that 3K subscriber count. And until next time, peace, love, and chicken grease. Catch you guys in the next video.